Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to change the opacity on your videos in DaVinci Resolve. Really easy and simple to do. So you just need to ensure that you have a video on your timeline like I have right here, and then just make sure you're on the edit tab, so it's the third tab, and your screen should look similar to this right here. So all you have to do to change the opacity on your video is just click on the video, make sure it is highlighted in red, and then you want to head over to the top right here and click on the inspector tab. And then if you scroll up to the top under composite, you will see the opacity setting there. Then obviously you can just click and drag and play with it how you would like. Very easy and simple to do and change. I hope I was helpful in helping you guys find the opacity setting on DaVinci. If I was helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.